Okay, this is going to be an unboxing video concerning the Wolverine grinding jig and the Wolverine Vari-Jig. This is specifically made for doing tips like that on your gouges. So let's look inside. Feels really dense. Looks like it's made well. Cam lock system on there. Looks good. The rest. If there's anything else hiding in here. Screws and nuts and bolts. I also already pulled out the paperwork and a DVD specific to this. So I will go through the process of setting this up here pretty soon. Alright. Those are the pieces. Alright. Up next, Vari-Grind 2. Okay. Okay, so it comes with some instructions. There we go. DVD like the other one came with. The DVD that I got on the other one was actually bad, and I wrote the company and they're sending me a brand new one. Looks like it's made well. Nice thick material. Doesn't feel chintzy at all. See if there's anything left in there. Nope. Leave it for that. So the reason I bought this is I have a very large lathe. And by large I mean that guy over there. The platter that's on there is approximately 26 inches right now. And I can probably go up to 36 inches over the bed, and if I take the bed off then I can go all the way to the floor. So I have some really big gouges now, and I'm wanting to sharpen in a really quality way, and I'm wanting to do a little bit of a different setup because I plan on using a belt sander for my grinding. At least that's what I'm going to try first. And I tried setting it up with this system here. Now, this system is a lot thinner material. It seems to be a little more rickety as far as movement in it. It's not bad. I mean, Nova did an alright job making this, but I'm also not as impressed as I am with the one-way system. But having said that, this is less than half the cost of the one-way system. So if this is what you can use, then that's great. I mean, all built in one, not a bad system. This is multiple pieces. You know, nearly $100 for this part, and about 70 bucks, 80 bucks on this part. And then if you want to get the system for sharpening skews, that's another 30 bucks. So it adds up, all the different pieces. This is the instructions on setting up the system. and how it functions. It came with paper instructions, though you can download a digital version of the instructions. Looks pretty straightforward. I'm excited to be using this, and the reason that I bought this system has to do with this gouge right here. Now, just the front of the gouge cost 110 bucks, so that's not cheap. And then the base of this thing is also about another $100. So a $200 tool, I had better not screw up. It's important to get a good smooth edge. Now, before this, I've done an awful lot of hand grinding on my own, and as you can see, I do a decent job on my own without a jig. Having said that, a jig will do it correctly every single time. Human error, you can be thrown off pretty easily. Now, I wasn't happy with the front of this, so last night I went through and I flattened it, and I'm going to reprofile how this looks. So I took it to my grinder and just smoothed that right off, brought about the shape that I'm looking for, and I will go through and I will put a razor edge on this again. But first, I wanted to get my one-way jig set up and see how that goes. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.